Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add a photo into a hidden album on your iPhone or with the iOS 16. And let's check first what iOS did I use here. Go back to check it, you just need to go into general and go click a software updates. And you can see that I use iOS 16. Okay, let's go back and go into the tutorial. To hide the picture, you just need to go into the photos library and choose which photos that you want to hide. For example, I would like to hide this picture. So the things that you have to do is just go click these three small dots here, and after that you just need to go click hide. And now confirm that you want to hide this photo. Now this photo is disappear from your photo library, so no one's gonna get it, no one's gonna find it out. And how to bring it back, how to check either those photo is already hide, you need to go back into the albums, scroll into the downside, and there will be a hidden utilities. Hidden, you just need to go click it, have an access into your face or passcode, and this the photo that you hide before, it will be here. And how to bring it back, you just need to go click the three small dots again, and after that go click unhide. So let's have a check first on our primary album. You can see the photo is already back into your primary album. So that's the way how to hide photo in iOS 16. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.